What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Ben here with Billy at Hockman Fab. Billy's just welding up on some exhaust, and I know you are all waiting for that update on the Tesla EVO. Well, I'm happy to tell you that you're gonna get it today because all the parts came back from powder coating finally. Our friends over at Crown Customs and Coatings, thanks again. Shout out to you guys for taking good care of us. This is actually the majority of the pieces. These are the smaller pieces, but I've already gone and unwrapped the main subframe for the rear. There you have it. This is quite the beast, as they say. Look at my light over here on it. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing on the car. We've had the drive units have just been sitting over here in the corner on a trans jack and a mover creeper roller thingamajig. Can't even think of what it's called right now, forgive me. But we got this thing coated in satin black in order to match the subframe on the front from Diamond Race that's going to remain on the vehicle. And he's also got some other satin black items like his wheels on the car. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing unwrapped, and we will show you guys how it all came out along with the installation here. So bear with me as I get this all unwrapped. This is a Tesla swapped EVO 8. The customer came to us looking to try and have the drive units, both the front and the rear, from a Tesla Model S swapped into their EVO 8. And they came to us because they wanted us to help them build the chassis work to make that all possible. So that's what we did. We went ahead and built all of the subframe work out of chromoly and have built everything with correct geometry and of course clearance, right? You got to make sure this thing is drivable. So we ended up making sure that the clearances are pretty much the same as what you would get if you had the normal drivetrain from the factory on one of these. That includes the front as well. So we specialize in high-end TIG welding. We do fabrication with chromoly, stainless, aluminum, titanium, you name it, we'll do it. So if you have any needs, just let us know.